Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, August 8, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing all right, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Got a long day ahead.
I feel you. I've got a bunch of stuff to sort out today too.
Yeah, sales never stops. Always chasing the next deal.
Same here with projects. Always something to manage.
Hey, speaking of managing stuff, did you hear about the big news on CNN?
Which one? I saw a few things.
It's about Trump's new tariffs. They're hitting the global economy hard.
Oh, I did see that. What's happening with it?
They're saying it's a huge tax on imports. Like up to 125% on some stuff from China and other places.
Wow, that's a lot. How does it affect us?
Well, for sales, it could mess up my deals with international clients. More costs, you know?
I get it. For projects, it might change how we work with overseas teams.
Exactly. I'm already stressing about price changes with my clients.
Yeah, we might need to rethink some budgets too. It's a big shift.
No kidding. I just hope it doesn't hit our numbers too bad this quarter.
Same here. We'll have to watch how this plays out over time.
For sure. Maybe the boss will have some ideas at the next meeting.
I hope so. We need a plan to handle this kind of thing.
Totally. Hey, let's not get too down about it. Did you see any other news?
Not much. What else did you come across?
I was checking the New York Times online. There's cool stuff about new tech for businesses.
Oh, really? What kind of tech?
It's about AI tools. They're like super smart computers helping with work.
That sounds useful. What do they do?
They can handle boring tasks, like sorting data or making reports. Saves tons of time,
Nice. I could use that for tracking project deadlines.
right? Imagine no more late nights fixing spreadsheets.
That would be a dream. I spend too much time on those.
Me too. I'd rather chat with clients than stare at my computer.
I bet. Do you think our company might get these AI tools?
I hope so. It'd be like having an extra person on the team for free.
True. I'll ask it if they know about this kind of stuff.
Good call. Hey, maybe we can push for it in the next budget meeting.
Yeah, let's bring it up. It could really help us out.
No doubt. Oh, and speaking of cool things, I saw something fun on the Washington Post.
What's that? I didn't check it yet.
It's about a huge music festival in Europe. Sounds like a total party.
Oh, I love that kind of news. What's it about?
It's a big event with all kinds of music, pop, rock, even local bands,
That's awesome. Where is it happening?
somewhere in Europe. I didn't catch the exact spot, but it's a major deal.
Nice. I love how music brings people together like that.
Yeah, it's a good escape from work stress. Makes me want to pack a bag and go.
Same here. I miss going to events like that.
Oh, me too. Remember those days before work took over our lives?
I do. Life felt simpler back then, didn't it?
Totally. Now it's just meetings, emails, and more meetings.
So true. A festival like that would be a perfect break.
Imagine the whole office going. That'd be a sight.
Haha. I can't see our boss dancing to rock music, though.
No way. He'd probably just stand there with his coffee mug.
Exactly. But it'd still be fun to see everyone let loose.
For sure. Hey, maybe we can plan a small team outing sometime.
That's a great idea. Even just a local concert or something?
Yeah, let's talk about it later. We need some fun around here.
Agreed. It's nice to chat about stuff outside of work sometimes.
It really is. These coffee breaks are the best part of my day.
Same for me. It's a good way to recharge.
Hey, speaking of recharge, how's your day looking after this?
Pretty packed. I've got a meeting with the team soon.
Oh, I feel ya. I've got a bunch of client calls lined up.
Sounds busy. Don't wear yourself out, okay?
I'll try not to. You two, don't stress too much.
Thanks, I'll manage. Got any big plans for after work?
Nah, just gonna crash on the couch. I'm tired already.
I get that. I might just read a book or something quiet.
Nice. Hey, we deserve a break after all this work.
We sure do. It's been a crazy week so far.
Tell me about it. I'm just counting the hours till the weekend.
Me too. Let's hope the rest of the day goes smooth.
Fingers crossed. Hey, if you need help with anything, just shout.
Thanks, David. Same to you. I'm around if you need me.
Appreciate it. Well, I better get back to my desk soon.
Yeah, me too. Can't hide by the coffee machine all day.
Wish we could. Have a good day, Alex.
Thanks, you too. See you later.
Catch you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.